Hello, welcome back to Eruditio's Tip of the Week. This week we're going to talk a little bit about root cause. Specifically, the layers of a fault tree. We refer to them as physical, human, systemic, and latent. And the idea behind this is physical is something you can see. Human is something someone did. Systemic is that underlying procedure or system that did not work, allowing that person to make the mistake. And latent is the organizational attitudes that allowed the system to fail. So when you think about that, a lot of folks will say, why do I care about systemic and latent? In my role, I can only address the physical, or I can only address the human. Here's my point today. If you're only taking your RCA analysis down to physical or human, and you put a solution in place at the human or even maybe the systemic level, and you don't understand the underlying latent issues, you may find that your solution can't work in that scenario. To give you an example, if a bearing seizes, very simple example, but if a bearing seizes because the alignment wasn't done, because there was not enough time allowed, because we don't believe in the value of precision maintenance, going and giving them more time may not work, because at the end of the day, we don't value precision maintenance. So the failure may reoccur. Another way to address this might be that we're going to buy new alignment equipment. But if the problem is not allowing the time, the supervisor is not giving them the time to do the alignment, then at the end of the day, you'll still potentially have the reoccurring failure. The risk is still there. Hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next week on Eruditio's Tip of the Week.